Morning, Bulldogs, and welcome to the next edition of Bulldog Books. We're going to get started this morning with our nonsense words. So, before I start the timer, I am going to help you read the first part of your nonsense words. So, hold on a second while I share this screen with you. Takes me a minute to pull them up. Here we go. All right, so let's take a look at this top line of nonsense words. Remember, we're just going to blend all the sounds of the consonants and the vowels together. So this first word I would read as tem, vig. Okay, now I want you to read these next three with me. Com, hib, ken. All right, are you ready to see how many you can read by yourself in 1 minute? On your mark, get set, go. And stop. Okay, now pause the video, count how many words you were able to read, and see if it's better than a time that you've read these words in the past. All right, readers, we're going to move on to our book. This book made me think of my dog, Charlie. The title of this book is I See a Cat, and it is by Paul Meisel. We're going to echo read this story together. So let's take a look at the characters in this book. This first page is what we refer to as a dedication page. Authors often will dedicate books they write to people who they love or who have had an influence or have helped them as they've been a writer. So let's look at the first page. I'll read first, and then you'll echo read it back to me. I see a cat. Your turn. I see a bird. I see a fly. I see a squirrel. I see mice. I see a bee. I see a squirrel. Oh, it looks like there's nothing for the puppy to see this time. I see a boy. Oh, do you think that these two characters are friends? This dog and this boy? Yeah, if I were making a prediction, it looks like they're pretty good friends. I see a squirrel. I hope you enjoyed reading all about this dog who sees all kinds of things. Have a great rest of your day, readers. I will see you next time.